What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, guys, it's a beautiful day, but it is kind of breezy. Not kind of breezy, it is breezy. We're gonna get out here with this Snaptain, or this Uranhub, they call it UH400, which is also basically just known as the Snaptain S5C, guys, rebranded. Okay, we're gonna get this bad boy out for a quick neighborhood flight. The weather has been crappy for days, and I've just been itching to fly something, so we're gonna fly this bad boy out. I did have this out a few days ago for its first initial test flight. We're gonna give this bad boy a quick neighborhood test flight and some breeze and see how it does today here, guys. Just checking out the Snaptain S5C. That's what I'm just gonna call it. I know they Uranhub calling it its own little name, but I'm just gonna call it the Snaptain S5C, because that's basically what it is. Or they call it the Uranhub UH400. So connecting to the Wi-Fi of the drone. This little alright UH400. And the app, you guys, I told you guys the app is the B Pilot app. We're gonna do a screen recording actually though. Turn the microphone on, do a screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Screen recording is started, you guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this B Pilot app. We're gonna find this Uranhub UH400, or aka the Snaptain S5C. Just click start here. Now I do got an SD card in there, 4 gigabyte, little cheap one, nothing too crazy, guys. Like I said, it's kind of breezy, so we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into at least the second rate, because I know the first rate ain't gonna be able to handle it. Let's jump right into the second rate. Let's go ahead and start the recording from the app. Recording started via the app, and we should be able to do unlock the motors and automatic takeoff. Ooh, that was me. I didn't let it take off, so let's do it. Unlock the motors. Okay, you got to give it time to take off. That was my bad. Ooh, it's kind of breezy here, guys. Kind of breezy. So this is second rate flying. You can see which way the wind is pushing it. Let's go ahead and get to this third rate, the highest rate. It's kind of breezy, guys. It's kind of breezy. Man, I've just been itching to fly something for a while, guys. The weather's just been crappy here, guys. If you are a drone guy, you have not been liking this weather here lately that we've been getting here. It just sucks, man. But today has like been the nicest day in forever. So I'm like, man, I'm flying something today. I'm flying something today. And we're gonna fly this bad boy out here. Just a quick little front yard flight, man. Nothing too crazy. Look at that. I'm full forward on the stick. This breeze is crazy. Look at that. Guess it's gonna be a high wind test, huh? High wind test flight. This wind is crazy, guys. I'm telling you. Woo. Still pulled off a flipperooski though. I still pulled off the flipperooski for y'all. Wow. Sun is nice and bright and shining, you guys. It's shining, the sun is bright. I can't say that, even though it's windy, the sun is bright. Keep in mind, guys, like I tell you guys, with these little cheaper toy quads, they have no gimbal or nothing like that, no stabilization. So with this thing getting blown around with the wind, you're gonna see all that transpire through the camera. But keep in mind, this thing was like what, 40, 50 bucks, like $40, I think, something like that. I think original price was like $59.99, but then it comes with a coupon. So of course you click the little green coupon on Amazon, you get a few dollars off. So we got a car coming here. Everybody likes to look at the drones. High wind test flight, guys. The old Snaptain high wind test flight coming up. Almost about 3 minutes of recording, 2 minutes 50 seconds. Get a little Snaptain. Old Snaptain. Woo. That spotlight, I can't say I do like that spotlight on it. It's nice and bright. So we can definitely expect to get a night flight in with this bad boy. Definitely can expect to get a night flight in with this little Snaptain or Uranhub or whatever they want to call this thing. I'm thinking Uranhub is just a rebrand or Snaptain's new name or something. This thing actually came with 2 batteries. I can't find my other battery. I don't know what I did with my second battery. I gotta find that battery. Because it's nice to have the 2 charged up so you can get double the flight time, of course. It's always nice to get double the flight time. Even on this little, 650 milliamp micro low C battery, it flies pretty decent. Let's see. So hopefully this is all transpiring to the SD card here. Wind kind of settled down a little bit. Car coming past. See the car go past. A little interference. I haven't been looking at my Wi-Fi feed. I noticed there's a little latency here and there. Car coming. Somebody over there barbecuing or something. Or burning some leaves. They're doing something over there. See a lot of smoke. That's the cool thing about drones. Kind of see cool stuff going on. You can see there's a lot of smoke coming over from the neighbors. I don't know if my boy Terry's over there probably barbecuing. You better make me a plate. You better make me a plate, Terry, if you over there barbecuing. Send a drone over. Yeah, not a bad little cheap little drone, man. That car is doing. Smoke coming from Terry's. What you got going on over there, Terry? Got smoking over there. Something's going. You got something queuing up over there, burning some leaves or something, doing something. I can't really see. I don't want to take the drone. It's too high to take it up too high to see what's really going on. We're approaching 7 minutes of recording, guys. 6 minutes, 53 seconds. This is awesome. Cheap little drone. And it's windy as heck. Like I said, this little cheap drone is performing really well. So it's over 7 minutes of recording. I'm gonna stop that to make sure that recording saves actually. Still got 2 batteries, 2 bars, I should say, of battery. So definitely getting a decent flight time out of this bad boy here. Probably a good 10 minutes, I should say, you would get. And even on a windy day, it's performing really well. So guess I'll start another recording. Don't see no flashing LEDs yet. Them LEDs are bright. Yeah, this is a great little flower, man. For as cheap as the little thing is, there's not nothing I can really say bad about it. And the camera is pretty decent. The camera is actually pretty decent on this one. And for that little 650 milliamp hour, the little tiny battery is actually surprising me the flight time. All right, there's that wind now. There's that wind coming. Fighting some wind now. Go ahead and start to bring this bad boy on in. I think we kind of seen what we needed to see out of this bad boy today. It actually performed really well. So Snaptain Uranhub UH400, aka the S5C. It's kind of windy. I'm trying to get it where I can catch it. I can catch it, but that wind won't let me do too much with it. So windy, I know when I land, I know exactly what it's gonna do. It's gonna topple over. Let's get it over to the grass and land it. That way, if it lands in the grass, it'll be all right. Right over here, automatic land to the grass. So there we go. Quick flight of this Snaptain, aka Uranhub UH400. Your boy Jones Dogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Deuces.